Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see this right here? Yeah, my bushing there is torn. And check this out. This is all gone too, so I'm gonna have to replace that. You see that noise? I'm gonna have to replace all the bushings. I have to replace all the bushings. Hey guys, so today's episode, we are gonna be replacing the bushings on this rack and pinion right here. So I did a rack and pinion bushing replacement about 7 years ago, and that's how long the bushing lasted. Because I drive this thing hard, I off-road with it, I use it hard, hunting, overlanding, towing, all those good stuff. So you can see here the debushing here hasn't given up its ghost. This thing right here came out. This thing right here was supposed to be in here. What I've done so far, I removed the tie rod end here and the tie rod end over here. This is so that it'll give me some wiggle room as I unbolt the bolts here, and so that I could wiggle my bushings into here. Alright, so here we go. So this is what became of the bushing. Okay. It's pretty tight up here, guys. Alright guys, so I've removed this nut right here and everything fell off. You see the bushing and everything just fell off. This is that nut, or this is that bolt that goes on top of here. I've just removed this nut right here. This is the main bolt or nut that holds the unit here, the rack and pinion unit. So now what I'm doing here is I'm going to use a screwdriver to pry this bushing, this washer off. Get the washer off. So check the integrity of this bad boy right here. It's still good, but being that I'm removing the washer here as a set, the bushing here as a set, I'm going to remove this bad boy out. I'm going to have to remove the anti-sway bar so that I can get to this. Okay guys, so I removed my anti-sway bar. Show you. It's right here. Anti-sway bar. It's coming. There you go. So there you go. I have here, this is a Dorman product. It is 905-400. This is for the Tundra. I'm going to be swapping this product right here onto this bushing right here. Okay, so these two right here goes in flush like this. So this thing goes in like that. Attacks into the election process and attacks. This thing goes in like this. Our confidence in our info level. This part right here goes in like that. This part right here goes in like this. And the critical thing is, but it goes in right here. So the information they're getting and in the security of our election process. And I think that's really what all three of those want to do. They want to destabilize
our electoral and political process. You kind of already touched on this, but my last question for you: why
So we're gonna be
important that
pushing this way back in.
American people are aware that this is going on and this has the potential to influence the election? Well, I think awareness is critical for the American public. Aware that Russia,
This is the debushing. The reason why it's called the debushing, shaped like a D.
To our information flow.
So I'm gonna clean this
my analytic training
with my brake cleaner. Be right back.
You know, it's sources before they start to put things out there. You know, I appreciate the fact that the New York Post and Politico kind of held back on releasing information. Anything else you want to add about any of this before I let you go?
There you go.
Well, no, information awareness. That's something that we can actually take control of. If we take our individual responsibilities and validate that information, we can actually spread it.
There. My special tool. So special. Now, I haven't tightened this. I'm not tightening this. I'm just mocking the thing in because I have to make sure everything goes in nicely before I pump them in.
This would give it a hearing when 10 to the I know a lot now about bioweapons. You put out hundreds of millions of dollars into ethnically targeted.
So that's good.
The Chinese have done the same thing. In fact, COVID-19, there is an argument that it is ethnically targeted. COVID-19 attacks certain races disproportionately. The races that are most immune to COVID-19 are...
Lady making a motion or a speech?
I made a motion to move into executive session when the post is still open.
Virtually everything, every statement that you just made about me is inaccurate. I've never advised Black Americans not to receive. In fact, I'm fully compliant with the vaccine schedule myself, except for COVID. In fact, I have never told anybody, I've never told anybody. The only thing I've asked for, and my views are constantly as a medication. You tried to associate me a minute ago with a replacement theory, which is racist.
No, I did not say you not belong to the
30 years, appeal to that. 40 years, score, petty out and end of experiment. I remember that very well. And to say that I feel that a film encourages blacks not to get adequate medical care is just completely ignorant.
It's the witness's time. Do not censor the witness.
I'm not censoring the witness. I'm not censoring the witness. He's still talking.
It's my time and I'm giving it to the witness. Do not censor him.
I'm not censoring him.
If the views that you and others have applied...
All right. So what I got here, guys, is everything's gone in. So now I'm gonna torque everything back to spec. After that, I'm gonna install my anti-sway bar. Hey guys, so I've torqued this bolt, this nut, to 123 foot-pounds. I'm gonna be torquing this to 123 foot-pounds.
Identically to what he saw. So, you know, he's never forgotten that. And so...
3 clicks. Okay.
I never saw...
So they're calling for these two at 96 foot-pounds.
I don't know, I got out to the real world, or another world, and, 4.5 feet. It was absolutely huge. And I did get a really good look at the torso, like shiny and black.
What I'm gonna do next
Yeah, that's
is
really terrifying. I mean, this thing's
I'm going to
really
install
sitting there
this
watching
bracket
you.
right here.
How far away
I'm
from
not going to
you
show you how to
was
do
this
it
thing?
because this is not part of the steering pack bracket pinion, so
In the middle of these woods.
I'm not going to show you how to do that. Okay, remember how this thing was going to and fro like this? Let's go test it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you see this right here? Yeah, my bushing there is torn, and check this out. This is all gone too, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hopefully this will help you with your wrecking pinion bushing problem.